Okay, it's 7:30. I took the first video about an hour ago. The wind is starting to pick up. You can see the palm trees. The clouds now are looking like they're moving from northeast to southwest. I'm facing west. That's south. That's Miami. Because I get local news here, Miami's already starting to lose power because they're 20 miles. Miami's 20 miles south, and it's coming from south to north. To the left is east. To the right of this video is west. I'm about 8 blocks from the beach in downtown Fort Lauderdale. I just want to show you the skies. This is the beginning of the outer bands. So we haven't really got an outer band over us yet. We're just starting to get the wind. If you look at the palm trees, I don't know if you can see. Not too bad, not yet. Enjoy it while we can, I guess. Just want to show you how quick the clouds are moving. So an hour ago when I videoed and I put it on, we were getting power flashes from Miami area. So it's gradually, and that's 20 miles away, so it's gradually working its way here. And the moon was out an hour ago. So now we're clouding up over here. These clouds are really moving. I don't know if you can tell. So this isn't, this isn't bad yet. This is just the very beginning. I know you can't feel the wind, but if you were standing out here, like, it feels like a breezy day, a windy day, like in the Midwest, because that's where I'm from anyway. Not gusting. Well, they're gusts, but not strong gusts. I was here for Wilma, and when the wind what eventually will happen is when the wind starts blowing continuous, it starts to sound like a freight train. I'll be turning this on as it gets closer. And you'll hear a whirring sound in the background, and that'll be the wind. Well, there it is. So, during Wilma, which was 12 years ago, we lost 20% of the trees in this county. This is a big county. This is Fort Lauderdale, Broward County. I have no idea how many trees will be left after this. But these trees survived. This is a new one. There was a big palm tree in front of my house. This is a replant. So this is 12 years old, because the other one fell down. And over here, this little palm tree, there used to be 4 of them there. 3 of them came down in, well, there's 2 of them there. So 3 of them came down in in Wilma. So just wanted to show you the sky. It's not really doing anything yet. But an hour ago, you could see the moon because it was still dark. Now we've got clouds and the wind is picking up. But I don't see any lightning like I did earlier yet, or power flashes, so that's good. But you're starting to hear sounds. Stuff is starting to blow. I'll give you a panorama of the sky. The birds are, I don't know where they're going to go. So this is the north end. Still a little lighter there. The clouds are moving pretty fast. Okay, I mean, I'm isolated here, so I can't tell you, what's happening someplace else. I would show you what's happening here. All right, so I just wanted to give you an update. I did the last one an hour ago when Miami was getting hit, and there was power flashes going off all over the sky back there. The camera's facing south towards Miami, which is 20 miles away. Nothing's happening. Just showing you the sky. When it's kind of boring, so when something starts happening again, I'll start videoing, because this is just the beginning. And this is the outer band starting to come on shore in Fort Lauderdale. About an hour ago they were hitting Miami, so we're just getting it now here. Because we're 20 miles north of Miami. And the wind is picking up. Just in an hour. Okay, but nothing damaging yet, so that's good. It's just windier. See if I could zoom in on some of those palm trees. Nope, guess not. Okay, sorry. All right, I'll be back later when things start changing.